Yes, greetings family. Bomani Taimba here, and we're live in Ethiopia on Revolutionary Camp, and we're witnessing this history in the making. This is the original history. You see, family, this was once a solid rock, and we're gonna show you more when Lalibela. We're actually up in the mountains of Ethiopia, family.
So the name of this church is the House of Holy Savior, the biggest and the largest church. So it's measuring 33 meters length, 23 meters width, and 11 meters high. And this church is supported by a number of pillars, inside and outside. Inside 38, outside 34. Total 72 pillars. That's symbolic of 72 students of Jesus, a member of 120 Jesus family. So when you see here, there is new pillars. These pillars to renovate in 1954. This restored 1954 by Emperor Haile Selassie. So look, the basement, that's the original. Because around 16th century, it was natural hazard. And that's restored by Emperor Haile Selassie. We'll see the original pillars in the east part of the church. And according to the Ethiopian church, there is 3 gates. North part, south part, west part. North part for men, south part for women, west part priest and deacon. Because east-west oriented. East-west oriented. The Holy of Holies is found in the east part of the church. And when you see here, there is 2 windows. The first in Aksumite stele, as we have seen in Aksum. The bottom Latin cross. When you see Latin cross, the horizontal line is short, the vertical line is long. Greek cross, equal size. Horizontal line and the vertical line is equal. So now we'll walk for this part and we'll see there is natural erosion and some hermit place and the original pillars in the east part of the church. So now we'll walk here. Before to restoration, the pillars here, before to restoration and after restoration. Just to look, there is many holes in the mother rock. It was hermit place. Before 10 years, 15 years ago, it was many hermit here. But nowadays the hermits, they move from here to other monastery church because the hermits, they don't have social life. They live alone. 24 hours are reading on their prayer books. They pray about the rain, they pray about the traders. The traders come back safely for all things because they don't have social life. Even they don't have special clothes. Always they are wearing animal skin. Animal skin. So when the tourists to go inside the church to take a picture, they will disturb them. And then they go to monastery church. And this is also the regular original pillars. The pillars here, look. Yeah, each corner of the pillar that's attached by a piece of stone that's symbolic of Trinity. Look, the windows, it looks like key. Looks like key, that's symbolic of the key to the heaven. Because Jesus said for Peter, one of 12 apostles, what you are prohibited on earth will be prohibited on heaven. What you are permitted on earth will be permitted on heaven. Also gives the key to the heaven. At this time, when Jesus make penance or merciful. So this is the old baptismal place. This is the old baptismal place. When the boy to baptize 40 days after his birth, the daughter to baptize 80 days, 80 after her birth. And it is used inside. behind the stone pillar to maintain the church. Look there. Because it's the same place.
My hand.
Soul is sacrificed.
ይህም እንደውም ድንጋይ ይኸውልህ ድንጋይ ገጭቶ
To make new steps.
Oh, new step.
Yeah. Look here, partial of the pillars are the original, and this is the new pillars.
Okay, new pill.
And look, there is 4 windows. The 4 windows give light for the room, because these rooms to chisel for the sake of the birthplace of Jesus Christ. We'll call it Bethlehem. Bethlehem. Nowadays, we prepare the Holy Communion. We prepare from here to the Holy of Holies. After the priest or the deacon, after they prepare the Holy Communion, they move from here to the Holy of Holies. They are carrying within golden basket and chalice. Because do you remember the Last Supper? The Last Supper before Good Friday, when Jesus blessed his flesh and his blood. This is my flesh and this is my blood. Who a person to eat my flesh and drink my blood, he will have eternal life. For the next day he was crucified. By this case, all Ethiopian churches, we have Bethlehem to prepare the Holy Communion here. So this place also to chisel for the sake of, behalf of the birthplace of Jesus Christ. Is clear?
Clear.
Now, above the top of these pillars,
Also that's
is
new.
that original?
That's renovation.
It's new.
Yeah,
It's
that
new.
is new. Look,
Yeah.
the original
'Cause you
one
can
is
see
the
the
last
cuts.
part. Looks the part.
Yeah, okay,
the last
right.
part. That's the original. Even the pillars, the 4 pillars, that's original.
Those
And this is
original.
new.